All right, so I want you to help me out. On page 1, we need to decide if these are describing positive or negative numbers. So a 3-yard gain. What kind of 3 is that? It's going to be a positive 3. We're gaining. It's more. Positive number. 8 degrees below normal. Is that a positive or negative 8? Okay. Deposit, $75. You look at your bank account, there was a deposit of $75. You have more money than what you had yesterday. Deposit, we're putting in money. Okay, Fernando, what about a 21-pound loss?
I don't know.
Is a loss positive or negative?
Oh, negative, yeah.
Well, yeah, see, you got it.
This is.
Okay, I'm going to give you 1 minute to fill out 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll see if we match.
Wait, what are we doing? Which ones are we doing?
5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate?
No, you gotta go 6, 7.
6, 7.
8, 9.
I did it.
Okay, Brandon's got it done.
Shimmery timbers.
Ooh. So I would focus on under for number 7, under. And then surcharge means like you got yeah. Surcharge means you got charged more than you thought.
That'd be minus or plus?
You got charged more.
So it'd be plus.
Okay. Okay, so Marshall, 5 miles above sea level.
Oh,
5 plus.
plus.
Okay, positive 5. All right. Now, do you need the plus for a positive number? No, I'm just like making a statement, okay? Sophia A, $40 deduction. That would be a negative 40, okay? Okay, some of you might not know what par is. That's okay. Let's focus on the word under. Positive or negative? Negative. Okay. Surcharged. You got charged extra. Positive 15. Okay. On your bill, there's more money charged than what we expected. Okay. Now, we got to decide who is greater, who is less than. Okay. This sign means less than. This sign means greater than. You know that. It's just a reminder.
I'm just thinking of it as
Who's eating the bigger one? Okay. So, who is bigger? Negative 12 or 5? A positive number will always be bigger than a negative number. Okay? Ah, shoot.
what happened?
Look at number 10. They're both negative.
Oh, it's negative 7.
23 smaller and 7 is bigger.
Okay. Can somebody explain to me why negative 7 is bigger, Brandon?
Because 7's closer to 0. It's the closest to 0, which is that. It's the closest to positive.
Okay. So, do you see how I very strangely put my number line up there? I didn't want to put it on the wall because I'm going to have to move to a new room and then move back. But do you find negative 7? Okay. Negative 23 would be somewhere on my pink bulletin board. Numbers to the right are bigger, right? And that's easy to see with our positive numbers. But with our negative numbers, we need to think whoever's to the right is bigger. Negative 7 is bigger because it's more to the right than negative 23. Okay? But when we're on positive numbers, that doesn't work. Right? Okay. 1 and negative 6, who's bigger?
1.
Okay.
15, negative 15.
Negative 15 is The bigger one. Okay, good.
And then 20.
Hold on.
Oh, your horses, man.
I know some of us are getting really excited, and I love that, but we all need to be able to catch up.
He's impatient.
Impatient. Okay, I want you to answer these two.
Oh, this is a number line on it.
Okay. Story, who's bigger, 20 or negative 25?
20.
There are 5 people with the name Story?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, I'm going to give this one only to Story. Only Story.
Which one? There's 8.
Which one's bigger, Story? 0. Okay. All right, now, what if I want to order these from least to greatest? Okay, we're looking at number 17. Colton?
It'd be -9.
Okay, I'm going to just stop right there. Colton thinks -9 is the smallest number. Is he correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to write -9, and then I'm going to cross them out.
Oh,
Okay.
it's below your rule, dude.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Khalil, what's the next smallest one? Yeah.
Oh,
-5. Okay. I think everybody is just giggly. I don't think anybody's laughing at anybody, or they better not be. Junior, what's the next one? -1.
I was not laughing.
Yeah, don't throw her under the bus. She doesn't belong there. Okay, so -1. All right. Icy, what's the next one after -1?
I don't know.
Well, we've crossed out 3 numbers. Which one of the ones left over looks like it's...
Oh, that's after 1? Like that goes next?
Uh-huh.
0.
0 looks good. Okay. Hey, we all get there at different rates. Okay. Colton,
4.
I disagree. What did he miss?
2.
He missed 2. Okay, so do you see how I'm crossing these out as I write them? That's going to help you not miss a number. Okay? Okay. I don't mind if we have fun, but what I'm not loving right now is I feel like some people are laughing at mistakes. Mistakes aren't funny. Mistakes are going to happen every time. Okay? So I don't mind us having fun, but I do mind us laughing at other people. Okay? You know what? You guys are doing a really good job at this. We're going to come back to page 1, but for right now, I want you to go to page 2. Okay? Okay, well, that's really great. Does anybody remember what an absolute value is?
No.
I think.
I think between the lines of the number.
Okay, so Sophia remembers that there's like some sort of number in between the lines. Okay?
Yeah.
It's like a number inside of 2 walls. And what do those 2 walls do, Junior?
Their absolute value.
Okay, Brandon, do you know what it means?
Changed.
Eh,
It's just gonna be that.
So the absolute value represents the number's distance from 0. Okay. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Distance from 0. So would I ever say I live -5 blocks away? No, if I'm describing a distance, I live 5 blocks away. Lincoln is 50 miles.
You live in Lincoln?
No, I live 5 blocks away.
What, really? Wait, I'm confused. You live in Lincoln or you live 5 blocks away? Exactly.
She's just using an example.
I'm using an example that I know that Lincoln is 50 miles away. But I'm not going to say -50. I'm always going to use a positive number, okay? So when we talk about a number's distance from 0, I was trying to emphasize that we are always going to have a positive number as our answer. Okay.
Oh, this is easy.
Okay, so here is 0, right here, right? Okay. If I'm asking you for the absolute value of -5, I'm saying, hey, here's -5. How far away is -5 from 0? So our answer would be 5.
Oh my God.
Isn't it just the number?
I already knew that.
Okay. So, okay, well, what happens if we have this one right here? The absolute value, hold on. Let's all get there together. The absolute value of 4. Here's 4. How far is it from 0? 4. Okay. No matter what, the absolute value is spitting out a positive number.
Hold on, I forgot to silence
Okay. What is the absolute value of -6?
6.
So we're going to write the absolute value of -6.
Wait, can you go to the make sure I was right before?
Wait.
Okay. So number 2 is asking, what number, please do not blurt out. This is not what I want right now. Please think silently. What number has the same absolute value as 3? So hold on. What is the absolute value of 3? Now you can blurt. 3. Okay. What number also has an absolute value of 3? -3 is the answer I'm looking for there. Okay.
How come the 4 appears?
So it makes it positive. So it's representing a distance. So distance from 0 is 4. Distance from 0 is 5. Okay, so go back to the bottom of page 1, and I want you to answer these 6 questions right here. And when you do, I want you to compare them with your neighbor, your elbow partner, and see if they get the same thing. You do them first, then compare your answers. Okay?
Done.
Finished.
7.
It's not a race.
6, 7.
38.
I see people get contact stuff behind.
Okay. Ugh. All right, here we go. Memory. What is the absolute value of 7?
7.
Okay. I asked for memory. I didn't ask for Colton. I didn't ask for whoever's voice was over there. Okay. Nayeli. What is the absolute value of -20? Excellent. Rhea. Absolute value of -4. Excellent. Okay. Carly, the absolute value of 18.
18.
Love it. Marshall, the absolute value of 35.
35.
He says with enthusiasm. Fernando, the absolute value of negative 11. Yes. Okay. We can do this, right? All right, let's go back to page 2.
I thought you were on. No, wait.
Can anybody raise their hand and give me an example of two numbers that are opposite?
1 and 1.
Did you raise your hand?
My bad. My bad.
Okay. Raya,
Wait, the number one?
I want two numbers that are, like, we're not even doing anything right now. Just,
Okay, 8, negative 8 and 8.
aha. So 8 and negative 8 are opposites because they have the same distance from 0.
Bro, why am I putting 8%? Why are they having it?
You know what? There are some people who are different than us.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't know that was them. I thought that was different.
Okay, so Kali, sometimes we need to like think things through before we say them out loud. Okay. Hey. Focus. If the distance from 0 is the same, then what else is the same?
Numbers.
Hey, what does it mean when we're the distance from 0? Oh, good job, Rhea. The absolute value. Oh, yep, opposites have the same absolute value. Okay. Okay. Now, if I give you a positive number, its opposite will always be what?
Negative.
A negative. And if I give you a negative number, its opposite is going to be positive.
Oh my.
We're doing that next week.
Oh,
Okay? All right. So, Rhea already gave this answer to us. What is the opposite of 8?
Oh, negative 8.
Negative 8.
so beautiful.
Okay. What I want you to do down here is I want you to circle 10 and negative 10 and write a note. Hey, these are opposites.
Hey, these are opposites.
Thank you, Fernando.
You're supposed to write hey with the question. I mean with exclamation.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, we're going to come down here. Ooh, man. Do you see this guy right here?
Yeah. What does that mean?
Do you see how there's a negative on the outside?
Oh, he's evil.
Okay. So we need to think about what is the absolute value of 5? 5. So I'm going to write a 5, but this negative was out front. So I'm going to keep it out front. Okay, so Fernando thinks that this answer is negative 4. Do you agree with Fernando?
Yes.
Okay, so let's think through it. What is the absolute value of negative 4? 4. However, there's this negative out here that we're going to keep out front.
It's a negative 4.
What?
Hey, let's focus on math class, guys.